Today is one of those days where I like to find my wife's purse, slip out one of her credit cards and get online and do a little shopping. There's a big Amazon Prime sale going on, and there are some deals on some kitchen and cookware stuff thought you guys might be interested in. Now, I'll have links to all these things in the descriptions below the video, but let's jump in and take a look at some of these deals. Now, at the top here, I bought all these with my own money. These are all my own opinions. I don't accept any free products for review. If you find the video helpful, it's a nice thing to do to go through those affiliate shopping links, and it helps defray the cost of some of this stuff around here. First up, AllClad D3. They've got a deal on a 2 frying pan set as well as a larger cookware set. We really like the D3s around here. If you've been buying cheap nonstick skillets at the discount stores for years and are ready to kind of move up and do some real deal cooking, this is kind of the gateway drug into the world of real deal cookware. So really like the AllClad D3s. Next up, fryers. The TFal EZ Clean fryer. I've been recommending this guy for several years now. I use mine. This is my go-to fryer if I had to pick only one. Good capacity. It's got thermostat. It's got an on-off switch. I like that. It's got a lid, and you can store oil in the fryer. So if you like deep frying, I really do like this TFal EZ Clean, and it was around $91 last I checked. That's a screaming deal and much cheaper than I got mine for 3 or 4 years ago. Air fryers. If you're into air fryer cooking, I don't have the review of this guy up yet. This is a Ninja 4-quart air fryer. I've got the review done. I just got to pull the video together. It's going to get at least a 3/4, maybe a 7/8 thumbs up. Good air fryer here if you're into air fryer cooking. This is about $89 last I checked. So that's a pretty good deal on the Ninja air fryer. Kamado Joe, Classic 2, 18-inch. I have one out on the deck. Couldn't bring it in aside for this video. I use mine every weekend. They got a deal on those Kamado Joes. Not only can you produce a lot of good food, but it's kind of like almost a club. So there's a lot of people online that swap tips and smoking tips and barbecuing tips, and there's kind of a little, almost a society for Kamado Joe. Anyway, they got a deal on Kamado Joes. And one important thing on those Kamado Joes with that Prime, the shipping was included. The Joes weigh about 9 zillion pounds. You cannot move one by yourself. So getting one home from a store is usually pretty difficult. If you get that Prime delivery, that's a big deal there. Now, once you get it to your house, you can open up the crate and take the pieces out. But as far as moving the crate by yourself, not going to happen. Good to have the free delivery there. Lodge Enamel cast iron Dutch ovens, 6-quart ones for 67 bucks. That's a pretty good deal there. I typically like the stoves and the Le Creuset. These Lodges, those are made in France. These Lodges, even though Lodge is an American company, a lot of these Lodges are made over in Asia, but the Lodge Enamel cast iron cookware, that's some of the only Asian made enamel cast iron that I like. So I've had this Lodge for several years, and it's been fantastic. Good deal on those. Repa high temp safe barbecuing grilling gloves. These are fantastic if you're, for example, cooking a big pork butt on one of those Kamados and need to move it. You can put these on and just grab something really, really hot, and it protects your hands. I like these. And also, not only are there deals on Amazon, some other companies that don't sell stuff on Amazon are also kind of matching the sales these days. These ThermaPen ones, fantastic thermometer. I've been using mine for going on 2 years now, and they have these for about 67 bucks. So that is a screaming deal on those ThermaPen ones. Links to all these things will be in the description below the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.